Hi, Caden. I hope that you are doing well. So, last time we met, we were discussing the major scale, right? We, 2 weeks ago, had gone over the two rules for our major scale, the whole step and half step rule, and then our naming convention. Remember, we have to use every letter at least once, and the note you start on is also the note you end on. So that one you can use twice. But otherwise, we have to use every letter at least one time. All right? And then remember our whole step and half step rule. Whole step, half step, whole step, whole step, whole step, half step. Yeah? And remember, just like with sitting and going to move after that, you can't go directly from sitting to walking. You have to stand first. And the same is true with starting your scale. The first note you start on is just you standing so that you can take your whole steps and your whole steps and your half steps. Yeah. But specifically, we were going over your D major scale, which is the same thing as a concert C major scale. But this week, I want us to go over what we call your C major scale, which in actuality is the B flat major scale. So remember, our C is just our open pitch, our open fundamental is what we call it. And 2 weeks ago, I had you sort of practice building out the C major scale. So with this one, we already know what the letters are. We got C, D, E, F, G, A, B. We've used up 7 unique letters. We used up all the letters. And then we have to end on the letter we started on, which is C. So we have that in order. How do we play it though? So, and keep in mind, we're going to start low and go higher, right? So that means as we go higher, our air has to get faster and faster and faster. And our corners have to come in closer and closer and closer. Yeah. But we're going to start with our open C. And then you'll go 1 and 3 for D. And then 1 and 2 for E. And then 1 for F. And then open for G. And then 1 and 2 for A. And 2 for B. And then open for C. Now, it might be a little tough to get out those last 3 notes. But remember, keep your body relaxed, blow that air real quick, and keep those corners coming in closer and closer together. And it'll pop out, I promise. But yes, a review on the fingering one more time. Open for C, 1 and 2 is D. 1 and 3 is D. 1 and 2 is E. 1 is F. Open again is G. It'll just be faster air. 1 and 2 is A. B will be just 2. And then we can play C open again. But it's the air is going to be about twice as fast as it was for the lower C. So just keep that in mind. Okay, buddy. I will catch you very soon. You have a good one. Bye bye.